you need something to move snow with. And our tractor's been broke down for quite some time. It seems like we get something fixed on it, and then we get it running for a day or two, and then we notice something else. We investigate that, and next thing we know, it's sitting for 2 or 3 weeks again. So I've been trying to work on the tractor. Problem is, I have never been that interested in anything mechanical. And when I was growing up, I had 2 uncles, my dad, tons of neighbors, my brother, and one of my 2 sisters. Well, actually both my sisters were all really good at turning wrenches. So I didn't really see a point in learning how to do any of that. And now I'm paying the price for it. If I would have learned those kinds of things when I lived down there, then I wouldn't be in this mess right now. Give you an idea what's going on. The current situation is I can't get the tractor to start. Batteries are charged. Got a brand new ignition switch on it. It's trying. I mean, I can hear something electrical engaging and kind of whirring around in it, but it's just not transferring to the motor itself. So my theory, from what limited knowledge I have, is that there's something wrong with the starter. Here's what I've been talking about. So this wire, even though it looks orange, if you look at it close, it's actually green with a white stripe. So according to that, that's supposed to go to the engine oil switch, and that is how it was when I found it. So I have no idea where that thing is supposed to hook to. I know it's supposed to go on a little clippy kind of deal, but that's about all I know. Got all the bolts out of the starter, detached this bracket for the hoses so I can move them around more, pulled the side panel off, and basically if I try to slide the starter ahead, I got this zip ties holding the hose with the radiator fluid in it. If I try to slide it ahead, it will hit that thing right there. That's what the hose came off of. And I cannot get it to budge. And it, I thought maybe just the first section of it needed to come out. It's actually got to be both of them for it to clear, which means that fitting has to come out back here behind this whole assembly here. It's that piece right there that I'm after, that brass colored piece back in there, because without getting it out, I can't take the starter out, but I can't get it to turn